Welcome to my channel. Today I want to teach you very important something: how to couple or assemble a new gas cooker or stove. How to couple or assemble a new gas cooker or stove. So watch out how I'm going to do it. As simple as ABC. Just use your knife, cut the sellotape. Just do it gently so that it do not destroy the carton in case of anything. It's very, very important. Just look at the way I'm doing it. Wow, very fantastic gas cooker. Okay, look at how it has been packaged. Then you remove the nylon. Just like this, gently and quietly. The essence of all this is in case it's not only on gas cooker, in case the component has a factory error or something like that you need to return it, so that all the packaging will still be intact. So that is why I'm doing it this way, gently. Okay, look at the gas cooker, stainless gas cooker. So this product is Lady Choice gas cooker. Very wonderful and very beautiful. Okay, you now look for the components under, because sometimes if you open this thing, you'll be searching for the component without knowing that all of them are under. So look at the components. So let's go there. These are what has been packaged inside. Look at them. So this is control knob. The control knob, look at it very well. It has a slot, so you fix it, the control knob. Then you fix the other one. You look at it very well. It has a key, so for you to know how to position it. See, it's working. So these ones are the legs. So now I need to turn this gas cooker upside down so that I can be able to fix the 4 legs at the 4 corners. Just look at where I'm doing it. It has a hole already, so what you need is to use a screwdriver and tight the bolts. As simple as ABCD. The essence of these legs is to avoid some components touching either the table or any provision made where you keep the cooker. So at least to give it a lift from the ground surface. There it is. The last but not the least, that it as well. Until I'm done with the fixing of the legs. So at this point in time, I'm just observing the components to know that everything is intact. Okay, at this point in time, I can now turn the cooker again. Awesome. I'm getting to the end. So what you need now is to fix the hose. If you look very well at the back of the cooker, you see a protruding nozzle. Look at the nozzle at the back of the cooker. That is where you fix your hose. Look at the way I'm doing it with a fastener. Make sure that the hose fit in very well. Then you now use the fastener to fasten it very well so that it could not pull out or have any leakage. Wow. You see it now as it is. What is remaining now is for you just to put the hangers. Just imagine like this and like this. I think the cooker is set to be used. Thanks for watching. Please do well to subscribe, like and share this video. Thanks once again for watching.